Hello and welcome back to Save Ourselves, or if you're new here, then hi, I am Aparna. So in this video, I'll be showing you my January setup for my 2021 bullet journal, and here I am making the cover page out of a few elements and stickers and washi tape pieces that I had lying around. And even though my cover page turned out to be a mix of all the bright shades of blue, all the rest of my spreads turned out to be in shades of grey, and this was totally unplanned, but I don't really mind that, and I hope you don't as well. So I'm going to take you through all the spreads that I make and tell you why I'm making those. So without further ado, let's get started. The first spread I'm making is my January a month at a glance or a January calendar spread, and I skipped out on these in my 2020 bullet journal, but I realized that I kind of need them back in my bullet journal for 2021, and here I am bringing those back, and I'm using my Save Ourselves shop calendar template, which is a monthly template in the cloud color, and I'm just pasting that on the double spread that I have here. And next to that, I just wrote out the words January 2021, and I decorated the whole thing with highlights of my grey marine liner and a couple of butterfly stickers. And I also made a couple of sections to write down my monthly goals and also a monthly bucket list that I want of all the things that I wanted to get done this month. So here I'll keep a log of all of my monthly events and just write an overview of whatever happens every day, and this will just be a collection for that. Now let's move on to a spread that I hold very dear to my heart, and that's the gratitude log. So I just used my own monthly log template from the Save Ourselves shop, and I cut it in half and pasted it on the two spreads that I have, and I'll be filling it out by turning my notebook sideways and writing a line of what I felt grateful for that day. So the prompt I gave myself was, what were you grateful for today and what made you smile? And what I wrote underneath that is that a little bit of gratitude compounds to a life-changing mindset, and that has indeed been the case for me, and that's why I continue to repeat these spreads in my monthly setup every month. And now let's move on to the must-have spreads of all of my monthly spreads, and I do these every month without fail. So these are my habit and my health trackers, and for January I'm tracking about 9 to 10 habits. So for that I use the Save Ourselves 10 habit tracker template, and for my health I usually track about 4 to 5 things. So for that I use the 5 habit tracker template, and this was very easy to put together. I just pasted the templates onto the spread, and that's it, I was done. Another spread that I added was new music for January, and I don't really have a plan of what kind of music I want to listen to, so I'm just gonna keep on listening to different sorts of music and just add the songs that I really like or albums or artists that I find out, and I'll just keep a log of all those things in this spread. And next to that I have a Save Ourselves content planning and ideas for 2021, because since it's a new year I really want to take the time to plan and come out with fresh ideas for content. So this is where I'll be jotting all of those down. The next spread that I made was my first ever weekly spread in my 2021 bullet journal, and it was basically what was left over of the week that carried forward into 2021, which was basically just 3 days. And so what I did was I made 3 columns to write down to-do lists for the 1st, 2nd and 3rd of January, and next to that I just made a smaller template for the next week so I could plan that ahead of time and just write down all of the tasks that I had in mind for next week, and actually get into more of a planning mode than of a doing mode at the beginning of January, as we all do at the beginning of every year. And that's what this weekly spread was for. So this is not a very typical weekly layout for me, which is why I wanted to take a little risk and try out something new. And in hindsight I really like how this turned out. It just let me plan my week much better. And below all of this spread setup I wrote out the words that you are never too busy to do all the things that are important to you. And I have found that to be so true for myself in the past year, and basically all the while that I've been working for Save Ourselves and all the other things that I like to do for myself. So this is the kind of intention I want to set for the rest of the year as well. So that's the quote I went with for the first ever weekly spread of the rest of the year, and I just hope that it sets a really nice tone for the year that's to follow. And yeah, that's it for the weekly spread that I made for the first week of January. And now here is the final flip through of all the spreads that I made for my January 2021 setup. And I try to use all of the different Save Ourselves templates that I have in my own shop so as to give you an idea of how you can use those. I have a few yearly templates as well, and you can check out my yearly setup for those, and you can reach out to me on Instagram if you want to shop those. The link is in the description below. And as always, there'll be a blog post along with this video to give you more information and more detail, and I'll see you in the next video. So till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.